In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Java support in latest Microsoft Edge browser to run old websites. If you are trying to open an older website that relies on Java applets, you've probably noticed that modern browsers don't run them by default. The good news is that Microsoft Edge includes an Internet Explorer mode that can help, and with Java installed on your PC, you can get many of those legacy pages working again. First, make sure Java is installed on your computer. Head to the official Java website, download the installer for your operating system, and run it. When the setup finishes, close any open browsers so the installation can register correctly. If your device is 64-bit, it's a good idea to install the 64-bit Java version to match the system and improve compatibility. Keep in mind that some older sites may work best with specific Java releases, so always stick to trusted sources. Now, open Microsoft Edge. Click the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Then choose Settings in the left sidebar. Select Default Browser. Look for the section labeled Internet Explorer Compatibility, next to Allow sites to be reloaded in Internet Explorer mode. Change the setting to Allow. Edge will prompt you to restart. Click Restart so the change takes effect. Once Edge reopens, go to the website that requires Java. When the page loads, click the three dots again and choose Reload in Internet Explorer mode. You'll see a small banner letting you know the page is now running in IE mode. If you frequently visit the same site, you can make this even smoother. In Settings under Default Browser, use the Add button under Internet Explorer mode pages to add the site's full address. Edge will then automatically open that URL in IE mode for 30 days before you need to confirm it again. If the page still doesn't run the applet, adjust Java's security settings. On Windows, open the Start menu and search for Configure Java to launch the Java Control Panel. Go to the Security tab and click Edit Site List. Add the website's complete URL, including HTTP or HTTPS, then confirm the warning. Click OK and Apply to save your changes. Return to Edge, refresh the page, and allow any prompts to run Java if asked. Only enable IE mode and allow Java on sites you trust, since these features are meant for legacy compatibility. When you are done, you can simply browse away to return to normal Edge mode. Thanks for watching.